niggas near me. I went from riding Uber to 4 cars in 2 months. I made like 4 bands every week. Shrimp and lobster all I eat. A lot of niggas envy if they get the chance to kill me. So I'm ducked off clearly. I keep them fake niggas from near me. Yeah, see, I ain't got no time.
Today's session is going to be on public records. It's going to be a lot of signing up for different websites and different rewards programs. You know, we want to make this profile look like a real person. So let's start with food services. Well, food rewards. Places like McDonald's, you know, places like Burger King. You can do Chipotle. We got Wendy's, you know, Zaxby's. Like, it's just a lot of different places, you know, fast food restaurants, like different places you go to eat, sign up for them. So take that CPN info that we came up with and you're going to plug it into all these websites. And our whole goal for doing public records is to build us a public record file that when you go try to get a loan or a credit card or a bank account or whatever, you try to go get some phones, whatever you're trying to do, they're going to be able to look you up, look your public record file up, right? It's not just a credit profile that you need. You need the public records as well because they use both to verify you, right? They're going to verify you with both, not just the credit and not just, well, some people will just use public record, right? Some people don't even take your social security number. They just take straight address, name, birth date, and they'll give you an offer, right? So we need to sign up for these things. So hotels is next. Just Google it. It's going to pop up with a bunch of chains. Next, we're going to do airlines. Just Google it. It's going to pop up with a bunch of different airlines you could sign up for. Just take all the information and sign up with it. All the CPN information, just take that and sign up with a bunch of different websites. We want to make this as strong as a profile, well, as strong as a public record file as we can. We want to make it look like a real person, as if, because I mean, a regular person, you know, you got years and years and years of information that's been entered in so many different places that you don't have to do it manually. When you're making a CPN, you have to do it manually because, you know, you don't have those years. We're making these in 30 minutes, right? Then we doing public records. It might take you an hour. So sign up for the department stores, Home Depot, Lowe's. Next, you want to do grocery stores, right? Places like Meijer, places like Kroger. You got Publix. Just sign up for all these different rewards programs, right? And then next, what you want to sign up for is fuel rewards, right? So just Google it, fuel rewards. You could do Shell, do Speedway, Marathon. Just sign up for fuel rewards. Just Google it. Whatever you see, just sign up for it. You don't got to do a whole bunch, but, you know, just a fair amount. Just make sure you do a fair amount. We're going to do different restaurants. Just Google it, like Outback, Applebee's, just your favorite restaurants. Just Google them, sign up for them, get on those rewards lists. Because like I said, we're trying to make us a profile, a real profile of like human basic needs, things that humans do. You feel me? So that's why we're making all these different things that you see people use and do on a regular, everyday basis. And it also, some of these places, they have like credit cards where if you're opted in and you're a reward member, they might send you a pre-approval for that place, like Best Buy. Best Buy is one of those places that might do it. So yeah, we want to make us a social media accounts, make all our social media accounts just like a regular person. Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter, you know, what else they got? Pinterest, just all these different things. Google it. You'll find plenty of different places where you can sign up for. You should know a lot off the top of your head. Snapchat, TikTok, it's just go crazy with it. You know, the more the merrier. You can't really go wrong unless you don't do enough of it. But yeah, you can't do too much. The more you do, the better your public records is gonna get, you know. And that's really a lot of times, like, you might get denied, like they won't even be able to find you. They won't be able to be like identify you as a person if you don't do that. So some other good places to look up and sign up is Best Buy. You got Dick's Sporting Goods, Publishers Clearinghouse. That's another good one. They're going to bombard you with so many emails and and so much stuff that you definitely going to get on public records with them. Amazon, you can sign up with them. What else? You can do Groupon, do Pinterest, do JCPenney, do Kohl's. Just what else? You know, if you understand what I'm saying,